Bay leaf, also known as Laurus nobilis, is an aromatic leaf commonly used in cooking, particularly in stews, soups, braises, and sauces. Its role is primarily to impart a subtle, earthy aroma due to the presence of essential oils, such as cineole and eugenol. Bay leaves, Laurus nobilis, are not only a culinary staple but also hold several healing properties due to their rich chemical composition. Here are 7 super healing properties of bay leaves. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Bay leaves contain compounds like eugenol, which have strong anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds can help reduce inflammation in the body, which may be beneficial for conditions like arthritis, joint pain, and general muscle soreness. Eugenol, in particular, has been studied for its ability to inhibit enzymes involved in inflammation, providing relief for chronic inflammatory conditions. 2. Antioxidant support. Bay leaves are packed with antioxidants, including vitamins A and C, as well as polyphenols, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. By reducing oxidative stress, bay leaves may help prevent cellular damage, aging, and diseases like cancer. Regular consumption of bay leaf extract has been associated with better antioxidant status in the body, which can contribute to improved immune function and overall well-being. 3. Digestive health. Bay leaves are often used as a remedy for indigestion and bloating. They contain enzymes that help break down proteins and aid in digestion, making them a natural remedy for an upset stomach. Additionally, bay leaves can help stimulate the production of digestive juices and enzymes, which supports more efficient digestion. Some traditional remedies also use bay leaves to relieve heartburn, gas, and abdominal discomfort. 4. Blood sugar regulation. Several studies have indicated that bay leaves may be beneficial in managing type 2 diabetes. The leaves contain compounds like polyphenols, which can help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. Regular consumption of bay leaf extract has been shown to lower blood sugar, cholesterol, and triglyceride levels in people with diabetes, helping manage the condition more effectively. 5. Respiratory health. Bay leaves are a traditional remedy for respiratory issues. The essential oils in bay leaves, especially cineole, are effective in clearing up congestion and promoting easier breathing. Bay leaves can be used in steam inhalation to help treat colds, coughs, bronchitis, and other respiratory infections. The antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties also make bay leaves effective in fighting respiratory pathogens and reducing symptoms. 6. Heart health. The antioxidants in bay leaves, along with compounds like rutin, play a role in protecting heart health. Rutin helps strengthen the walls of capillaries and blood vessels, which can improve circulation and reduce the risk of heart disease. Additionally, bay leaves have been shown to help lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels, both of which contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. The potassium in bay leaves also helps maintain normal blood pressure by balancing out sodium levels in the body. 7. Antimicrobial and antifungal effects. Bay leaves have natural antimicrobial and antifungal properties, which make them useful in fighting infections. Compounds such as cineole, lauric acid, and eugenol have been shown to inhibit the growth of bacteria, fungi, and yeast, such as Candida albicans, that can cause infections. The essential oil derived from bay leaves has been used in traditional medicine to treat wounds, skin infections, and other microbial issues due to its ability to fight off harmful microorganisms. Summary. Bay leaves have a long history of use in traditional medicine, and modern research supports many of their health benefits. Whether used in food, as a tea, or in essential oil form, bay leaves offer anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, digestive, and cardiovascular benefits, while also promoting respiratory health and fighting infections. These 7 healing properties make bay leaves a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle.